Chapter number 3, Court and their importance. Part 2. In previous part we have learned about the importance of court and different courts work at different level in the state. The highest court in the state is High Court and the highest court in the country is Supreme Court. Today we are going to learn about High Court. The highest court in our country is the Supreme Court and every state has a High Court. The High Court in our state is in Ahmedabad. The jurisdiction of courts of all the states is decided by the High Court. All the High Courts are uniform and are so called as the Court of Records. There are other judges to help the main judge at the High Court. Anyone has the right to appeal in High Court for public welfare. If any appeals for the wrong reasons and wastes the court's time, he or she could be punished. As there are many cases pending in our country, if someone has deliberately given the wrong case in the court, then court has the right to punish them. The state high court judges take the oath in front of governor of the state. The lawyers argues in high court if required. Both the petitioner and accused are called in the court. Let's see the example of the Gabbar. There was a village called Ranpur. The head of that village was Lalji Mukhi. It was winter. One day, while returning home from farm, in the evening, a car suddenly stopped near him. Few men got down from the car, attacked him, and left him badly injured. The person who attacked him was a non-ruffian Gabbar. Mukhi filed a case against Gabbar and got him arrested. Gabbar was asked to remain present in the court. After the argument from both the lawyers, the judgment was passed in Gabbar's favor. That means he is set free. Thus, Mukhi did not get any justice. Gabbar kept threatening Mukhi repeatedly and threatened him to kill him. Mukhi was fed up of this and thus decided to appeal in High Court. High Court heard the arguments from both the sides and judgment of the High Court was different from that of the District Court. Gabbar was convicted and Mukhi finally got justice. Hence, if a person does not get justice from District Court, he or she can appeal in the High Court. Every district has a criminal court. The policeman arrests the criminals on the basis of complaints filed against them. Criminal gets punishment like penalty, life imprisonment or death sentence on the basis of types of crime committed by them. Theft, robbery, duel, murder, physical harm or any kind of fights come under criminal cases. When police get to know about crime for the first time, an FIR, that is first information report, is registered in police station. This picture shows the mock court where the arguments or the court case is being discussed in front of the judge. Here judge is the supreme person in the trial room. The petitioner and both the lawyer of both the parties can give their arguments. If necessary, they can also ask the petitioner to give his or her arguments. In this way, the discussion is held in the mock court and solution has been given by the judge. Following questions are very important in terms to learn more about the court. Who is usually present in the court? Judge, lawyer, and the person who is being accused and accuser are present in the court. Other than this, the administrative workers of the court are also present in the court. Who argues in the court? The lawyer of both the parties argues in the court. Which type of cases are heard in the court? As we have learned in previous part that there are two types of cases heard in the court, civil cases and criminal cases. Why does the court gives verdict? The court gives verdict to impart justice to the needy people. What will happen if the court does not pass any verdict? If court does not pass any verdict, then the person did not get the justice and has to suffer many losses. What will happen if judgment is not accepted? If judgment is not accepted, then the court will take necessary actions to accept it, or the accuser can also went to the higher court to get the justice. What will happen if people do not have the money to pay to the court? If people do not have the money to pay the court, then they cannot get necessary chances to be in the court for their argument and impart for the justice. In this way, court is very important for each and every person to get justice, and it also always gives favor in unbiased or impartial manner. Court pass judgments when a court has to investigate the matter minutely to avoid injustice and case gets delayed. To reduce the workload of High Court, Lok Adalat have been put into practice, where Lok Adalat finds solution for reconciliation, and it is time saving and free of any charges. The person who do not have any money or time can go to Lok Adalat for the justice. In this way, court works in our country to give justice to the citizen of the country. You have to write all the questions related to this chapter in your workbook. Thank you.